Hi, this is Mrs. Oakley, and today we're going to be looking at Unit 8, Lesson 11 on the commutative property. So by the end of this lesson, you should be able to find an equivalent expression using the commutative property. So remember, equivalent expressions are expressions with the same value. Just like an equivalent fraction, they are equal, they just look different, right? We can use certain properties to write the equivalent expression. So first off, commutative property of addition, what is it? Well, it's basically the order of the numbers or variables doesn't affect the sum. Okay, what does that mean? Well, that just means, let's look at a numerical or a number example. Say 3 plus 4 is the same as saying 4 plus 3. Either way, both sides are equal to 7. All right, so what does an algebraic expression look like? Well, A plus B is the same as saying B plus A. Okay, now, what is the commutative property of multiplication? Well, let's see. It's the order of the numbers or variables does not affect the product or the answer. Same thing as the addition, only this time we're using multiplication. So 5 times 6 is the same as saying 6 times 5. Okay, same thing down here. A times B is the same as saying B times A. All right, so let's practice this. So to use the commutative property, I'm just going to flip things around. So 18 plus 60 is equal to 60 plus 18. Okay, 15a plus 7b is the same as saying 7b plus 15a. I'm just flipping them. All right, let's see you try. Now notice the dot means multiplication. Okay, you should have said 7 times 12 or 9 times 4x. Okay. And that is the end of our lesson, Unit 8, Lesson 11. Go ahead and head back to Classcraft and continue on your pathways. I'll see you back here for Lesson 12.